In today's video, we're going to be installing this carbon fiber trim. What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you a quick little thing you can do to your WRX in case you want to replace your OEM pillar slash, they call it I think tape, believe it or not. Got a little boo-boo right there, and I figured instead of replacing the entire tape, which is only like $10, but it is a huge process, I thought maybe a carbon fiber would look kind of cool, so ordered this package right here. So here's what it kind of looks like. It is pretty shiny. It's not bad. It's multi-layered carbon fiber vinyl. It's kind of got like a plastic feel. It's not just like a vinyl tape. It's got the 3M double-sided, and it's got like a clear coat protectant. It's got texture to it and everything. So we're gonna slap these, and these get like fingerprints on them fairly easily. If you can see that right there. Like, this is real carbon fiber. It's got that distinct sound. You can tell when I zoom in as well. It looks really cool, man, especially when I zoom out. So the set included this piece, these two window pillar areas, this piece right there, and that piece right there. And I like how it kind of like adds like a body line in a way. And a little piece for the bottom of the steering wheel was included. I really want to show you what it looks like. Like, you see the shine coming from the pillar or the area? Man, it's so different. Like, it just gives it that much more, like, gloss. I don't know. It looks clean, man. It's definitely worth it. I think it's like $180 right now, burnsauto.com. You guys can go get it. Pretty dope. So next up, I want to get the carbon fiber little, I guess you could call it like trim right there near the exhaust. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little video. Really easy installation, but if you want to do it right, take your time. Obviously clean it with like alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. Give it a few seconds and then slap it on, but kind of adheres it kind of like promotes the adhesion to work better. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little video. Peace out.